Hey, so you're probably pretty confused about what this is, or who I am, and to be honest, I don't really know the answer to those questions. I wish I did. I mean, for my entire life I thought I knew it all. I had everything set up exactly the way everyone had told me to, but I'd become so attached to living someone else's way of life that it became all I had. I didn't know who I was. My identity was the job I had, the alcohol I drank, the brand of furniture I bought. And so when things and people around me moved on, or tried something different, I couldn't comprehend it. It felt like they were betraying who I was. But I realize now that I was the traitor, and so I was left behind. But that wasn't enough for me. I refused to admit my mistakes or move on. I became a slave to my ego, clutching onto the idea that everyone else was wrong, that I had everything I ever wanted already. And so I continued to push away everyone in my life that I cared about. It took me too long to realize any of this, and I regret it deeply. So I decided that I have to do something different, or I'll just make the same mistakes again. So yeah, I guess that I think by saying all of this, I can finally be free of my regrets. I hope that maybe one day I can look back and be grateful for all the mistakes, heartbreak, and lost friendships, and who knows, this might also help you. Life already has its fair share of pain, so why endure so much from your own hands?